Good morning, all of you. My name is Chand Praveen Nandev. I am from Jalna. I recently passed out my Bachelor of Pharmacy in Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Loneria, Raigad. Today's topic is technical. Today's subject is pharmacovigilance and topic name pediatric pharmacovigilance. So let we start. The pediatric pharmacovigilance. Pediatric pharmacovigilance focus on the monitoring and evaluating the prevention of adverse drug reactions and medications of adult children population, distinct physiological development of the pharmacological characteristics given the children are the simply small adult. Pediatric pharmacovigilance is essential ensuring safe and effective use of medication in these vulnerable groups. Why pediatric pharmacovigilance is important? First of all, linked in clinical trial data, limited clinical trial data. So many drugs are not specifically tested in the children during the clinical trial due to the ethical, logistical, and financial contaminants. This leads to the whispers of the label and unlicensed drug using the pediatric population, increasing the risk of ADR. Then unique physiology and pharmacokinetic. The children's absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion means ADME of the drug different significantly from the adult. This difference with vary with the requiring the tolerated approaches of drug and doing and monitoring. Then next one is higher risk of ADR. The development of immaturity of drug in metabolism can lead to unexpected toxicity or insufficient drug efficacy. Lack of age appropriate formulation can result in dosing error and medication misshapes, etc. Goals of pediatric pharmacovigilance: to identify ADR and medications error, detect the monitor and analyze the ADR specific pediatric population, then improve medication safety, the guide of regulatory and clinical decision to minimize risk associated with the pediatric drug use, then promote evidence based on medicine, the generate real world evidence in safety and efficacy drug in the children, then advocate age of appropriate drug development, the encourage the pharmaceutical industry invest in the pediatrics formulation in search. Then challenges of pediatric pharmacovigilance: under reporting ADR. ADR children often underreported due to the lack of awareness among the caregivers and healthcare professionals. SCP likes the children have the difficulty communicating symptoms and making ADR identification and reliant on observation. Off-label drug use. The common pediatric where the drug is approved in the adults are used for children without robust safety data. Off-label use of increase uncertainty around the ADR profile and dosing. Limited pediatric formulation. Lack of children friendly formulation, liquid chewable, leads to the manipulations of the adult medicine which are alter pharmaceutics and safety. Ethical and ethical and practical barriers. The challenges of the conducting the pediatric clinical trial result in the lack of comprehensive and pre-marketing safety data. Diverse development stages. The versatility of pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic across age of group and the complicates the identification and prediction of ADRs. Method of pediatric pharmacovigilance: first of all, ADR reporting system. The encouraging the healthcare provider and parent and coveraging the report of suspected ADR in children. Example, yellow card scheme in UK. Then Food Drug Administration MedWatch in USA. Then WHO Uppsala Monitoring Center UMC. The pediatrics specific database. Establishment of database dedicated to collecting and analyzing the pediatric ADR such as the European patient pediatric formulation. Then post-marketing surveillance PMS, conducting the active, passive, and surveillance studies, gather real-world safety data on the drug used in children. Then pharmacogenomics, the investigator genetics factor influence drug metabolism and children pediatric ADR risks. Then cohort studies, registries, the maintaining the registers for the rare diseases treatment commonly used in the pediatric population, role of cravagers, the training of parents and guardians, the recognize the reports ADR especially in non-verbal children. Then strategy improve pediatric pharmacovigilance, educational initiative, the rising the awareness of the healthcare professionals and the parents about the improve reporting ADR in the children, and training program focused on the pediatric drug safety. Then policy and regulatory change, the implicating the specific pediatric executive incident of pharmaceuticals, compare conduct a pediatric research, FDA pediatric rules and European pediatric regulations, etc. Then development of age and approval medicine. Then digital and AI tools. In digital and AI tools, we are using the apps of artificial intelligence to track the ADR and analyze trends the pediatric population. Then global collaboration, harmonization of the pediatric pharmacovigilance effort across the countries through the organizational like WHO. So thank you for watching my video.